This morning I'm taking you to my first car show with the 1986 Legend sedan. This car is far from finished through its restoration process. In fact, it's a little bit rough by my standards. You can see some scuffing on the front bumper. The body, the clear coat is a little bit tired. But honestly, I'm excited to finally get to show this car, even in its unfinished form, at the Kyusha Club today. This is going to be my signage today. Nothing fancy, just a little intro to what the car is. Pretty sure I'm going to have the only Legend here. Hey there. Aww. Just decided I definitely need one of these Honda Beats. They're so much fun to drive. Catching up with my friend Joel. This is a pole position ABE full leather interior that he upgraded his S2000. You wouldn't believe it, but this car has 150,000 miles on it. And Joel's been a good member of the community for some time now and has a super keen attention to detail. I've always admired that. Just caught up with my friend Rebecca. She is a major enthusiast. Checking out the interior of this beautiful 5th gen Accord wagon. This is my friend Salt, and he's got a lot of JDM upgrades. So these seat covers, I'm told, are a very rare edition that he sourced, as well as the floor mats. The door panels are out of a different leather equipped Accord. He's got this wood steering wheel, and I found out the center console is plug and play with an Acura CL, 1st gen CL, so he did that as well. Check this thing out. This is a 92 Prelude with a swapped JDM H23A, did you say? H22A, that's right. Wow, and it was also swapped from automatic to manual. One of my favorite things about these cars is the dash. You see how the layout is a 2-tier flat all the way across. And there were a couple changes later on when they did the backlit gauges, I think toward the later end of the 4th generation. But this car actually used to be red, you can see, it was painted. Pretty cool car. I do love these 4th gens. Now everybody's starting to roll in here. You guys gotta check this thing out. It's my friend Jay's Honda Z, and of course he put JZ on the plate. That is super clever. Wow, I don't know if I've ever seen one of these. UM4 turbo, and I recognize the wheels. Those are base RSX 0506 wheels, but check this thing out. That is a cool ride. Man, it's not every day you see a celebrity driving a vehicle that you've never laid eyes on in person.
Celebrity, this guy.
This is my buddy Jay, and you would not believe what he brought to the show today. Jay, what the crap is this thing?
Tyson, this is a 1998 Honda Z UM4 Turbo. Turbo.
Does that mean anything to any of you guys? Because I've sure as heck never seen one, and I had to see it up close and personal to even believe it exists. But this is, I would trust Jay to find the cleanest of any example, and this is probably the most obscure thing at the show today. So what's your plan for it?
Oh man, I don't know. It's got some small work that needs to be done. You know, it probably hasn't been driven as hard as it was on my way here. It's pushing 65, 70.
Ooh, wow.
And it was
Wrapping
a little
up that,
sketchy. So
yeah.
we'll probably be taking the back streets home.
That's 600cc, 660,
Yeah,
3-cylinder,
660.
automatic,
4-speed automatic.
auto.
Yep. They only came in auto.
All right, guys. Now you've seen it. Now I want one. Cargo space for days. That's what inside there?
It's the motor. Yeah.
What?
It's the same as the Ackies have.
No way. The motor is back here under that access port. All right.
It's a little 3-cylinder, 660.
660, yeah.
Turbo, so it's whopping 63 horsepower.
Yeah. Check out that Camry. What's up, Braxton?